Monitoring supply and demand dynamics is essential for understanding local rental market conditions and making informed investment decisions. By analyzing factors influencing supply, such as new construction and rental inventory, alongside demand drivers like population growth and employment trends, small apartment investors can assess the market balance. This knowledge helps investors identify opportunities, optimize rental strategies, and mitigate risks in their target areas. Key concepts in supply and demand dynamics. The importance of monitoring supply and demand dynamics. Assessing market conditions. Understanding supply and demand dynamics helps investors evaluate market conditions such as oversupply or high demand, which directly impact rental rates, occupancy levels, and property value. Optimizing investment timing. Monitoring trends allows investors to time acquisitions, sales, or rent adjustments strategically, aligning with favorable market conditions. Identifying opportunities involves analyzing supply-demand imbalances. For instance, areas with high demand and limited supply often highlight regions with great growth potential and stable returns. Analyzing factors influencing rental market supply is crucial. New construction and development trends play a significant role. An increase in new construction or planned developments can raise rental inventory. This in turn might create competition and impact occupancy rates. Rental inventory levels. The number of available rental units in the market reflects the overall supply. Tracking changes in inventory levels helps identify potential oversupply or scarcity. Conversions and market exits. Properties converted to other uses, such as condos or removed from the market, reduce supply, potentially increasing demand for remaining rental properties. Regulatory factors. Zoning changes, rent control policies, or incentives for development may influence the pace and type of new construction. Evaluating demand drivers. Population growth. Areas experiencing population growth often see increased rental demand, especially among younger demographics or transient populations. Job growth, particularly in high-income or rapidly growing sectors, boosts rental demand as workers relocate to the area. Changes in household composition, such as an increase in single-person households or young families, influence rental preferences and unit demand. Shifting preferences for urban living, walkable neighborhoods, or proximity to amenities can drive demand in specific areas or property types. Analyzing low rental vacancy rates alongside high absorption rates in a neighborhood suggests strong rental demand, signaling a favorable market for investment or rent increases.